I wanted to show you this grass-fed beef tallow cream that I received from the company. I've been using it and so have my kids. First, the smell. It smells just like clean, simple, nothing over, like nothing like over perfumed at all. Like something you would smell in a spa is the best way to describe it. It is whipped, so it, like almost like a whipped butter would be. It is really good to use for different parts of your body. It's first of all, one of the things that I always look for skincare is that it's paraben free, sulfate free, fragrance free. So there's like nothing in it, like no synthetic dyes or colors that I don't want to put on my skin or have my kids put on their skin. So I do like that. It does have honey in it, raw honey, as well as a ton of different vitamins. It's like supposed to mimic like the way that your skin naturally has oil, but like in a good way to hydrate it. So I think that's really nice. I do use it underneath makeup, or if my skin just feels dry. I have super sensitive skin as well as rosacea and allergies. So, I'm really picky about what I'm putting on my skin, and this has not caused any issues. I also like it because it kind of is like a all-in-one. Like I can use this on my face. My kids can use it. I also will put it on my hands, and my hands just get like super dry. So this just helps it tremendously. And I love the way that it smells. It has just like a pleasant spa-like scent to it. It absorbs really quickly into the skin. It doesn't make it feel greasy or leave any type of residue. It doesn't make my skin feel white or look like white like sunscreen would. Really happy with this product. If you're looking for a new moisturizer, one that's going to like pack in tons of vitamins and really hydrate your skin, as well as like maybe for your hands or your body or neck, definitely go ahead and grab this one.